Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to uninstall Malwarebytes from your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. So let's get started. First, open the Start menu and search for Setting, then open it. Once you open it, from the left-hand side select the Apps and then select Installed Apps. Once the list of installed apps has loaded, use the search bar to look for Malwarebytes. When you find it, click the three-dot menu next to the app and select Uninstall. When prompted, click Uninstall again to confirm. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. The Malwarebytes uninstaller will now open. Click Remove Malwarebytes to begin the removal process, then select Uninstall Malwarebytes. You may be asked to complete a short feedback survey before uninstalling. If you don't want to fill it out, simply click Skip Survey and continue. The uninstaller will now remove Malwarebytes from your computer. This may take a moment, so wait until the process is complete. Once the uninstall is finished, click Done to close the uninstaller. That's all there is to it. Malwarebytes has now been successfully removed from your Windows 11 PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Windows 11 tutorials and tech guides.